The latest on a winter storm sweeping through the nation.
This morning's snow gave some students a day off.
You go outside? Go. Go outside. Ah, be careful. Oh my gosh. Ah! Is it good? Oh my god. Ouch, ouch, I can't. Ah! Spend this snow day with us. First snow day of the literal year. On the bucket list today, we got lots of cleaning to do. We plan on going sledding today, watch hot cocoa, drink hot cocoa, and watch movies later. Let's get our day started. Excited, King? This is a dishes update. These just have to be rinsed off. 13. No way I missed a butter knife. Okay, now that this looks better, let's clean under the stove. Actually, let's not do that. I don't even know where to put this thing. Just do a little wipey wipe and call it a day. This is quite literally disgusting, so. Yeah. Dirty. Ta-da! Kitchen is spotless as ever. Now let's defeat this living room. We're actually getting new furniture tomorrow, so they're gonna take this couch downstairs today. So that's why we have to really clean. Morning, kitty. The bird's stressed out because Ortega's always on top of the cage. Leave him alone. I have no idea where the nice water bottle Colton got me is at. I think it's in my car somewhere. So tell me why I went to go drink that water. And I was like, okay, yeah, that's too warm for me. I dumped out the water. There's not a piece of ice in here. So you telling me that water was that hot? Take two. I don't know why the ice is not like shaking. Yep. I took everything off of the couch so that I can vacuum it. Gotta go through these. Swear this is just made to look cool. It don't even do anything. But here we go.
Count the change $1 per month.
Ow!
What?
Stab myself with a ball. I think Kane is confused. One more section to go. Let's just get this over with. Okay, cause yeah. Okay guys, the last thing I have to do is just sweep, but my brother has the broom right now. This is where the new couch is gonna go, and then you guys remember when I won this TV, the TV is gonna get hung up right here. It looks so much better down here. The last amount of dishes have to get done. I'm gonna crack this window though. Tide Pods like ruined my bedsheets cover. Yeah, so I threw it in the washer with some Tide Pods because my sister came over and rubbed her nasty piece of fingers all over it. And then I took it out, dried it, and then I went to go put it on my bed and there was Tide Pods stuck all over it. So I had to wash it again. Here we are. When is it going to stop? Wait a second. Oh, I was gonna say, who? Looks like we got a package. I'm dressed all in Colton's clothes, but that's not the point. Let's do some skincare. My dad just got home, so fingers crossed he lets us go. I'm gonna beg him. Put on some vitamin C. We got some moisturizer. It is that type of weather outside. Let's put my face together. Let's use some tinted sunscreen. That sinks into my face. Let's brush my hair. Inches. Now I'm gonna curl my eyelashes, heat it up like it's a curling iron. Like, I'm getting ready for a dang near nothing. We just getting ready to walk out into the living room and walk right back. Anyways, I'm gonna curl them again, but we gotta let them dry. So until then, take this brush and just brush them up. Posted it was like, stay humble. Let's throw some highlighter on. Feeling special today. And then let's curl my lashes one more time. And then I have to go sweep. Hooray. Deodorant. That cleaning had me messed up, y'all. I felt bad. Anybody who walked past me. Bear from Victoria's Secrets. I should only put this on whenever I'm going somewhere special, so let's go put something else on. In the Stars, Essential Smell. Some lotion since we're feeling extra special. Also in the Stars. Extra. Ah, Kent! What are you trying to eat? A pretzel? Tell me.
I'm trying to do 0.5.
You're playing 5.
This is our living room now.
She ain't even showing y'all the hard work.
Look at my forehead.
I have a TV right here.
Look at Keely putting in that work. Independent women right here.
Y'all be your cameraman.
Yeah, you not like the original cameraman.
Sonny, plot twist. There's salt in that.
What is it?
Salt?
What's salt?
Got a fat nose, bro.
Why you looking at this? You are not cute, boy. I can fall asleep on this couch.
Give me 10 right now.
Ow!
Ooh, my butt. Ooh, that.
Sonny, you got the ugliest laugh.
All the way up here to give her phone, man.
So my dad came to the conclusion that no, and we just figured out that park is 6 minutes away from my house, so we're just gonna walk. But
Where she is, bro? I swear to God.
we gotta layer up.
I'm sweating right now. I'll move them couches downstairs.
He moved the cushion downstairs is what he did.
Yep, sure did. Y'all can see in that clip. Run it back, Turbo.
Gloves on deck. Cosby cake. Let's braid my hair. I'm gonna put this hat on. Okay, jacket on. We got no snow pants, so I need to put a few more pants on. Colton told me to wear jeans. Jeans. And put these gray ones on, and then those black ones. Look. I'm gonna wear these 2 fluffy socks under mine. 1, 2, 3.
Stop!
Sonny, why do you gotta be so annoying? My feet are gonna be like swollen. Okay guys, we're on our journey to leave. I got my hat on, or I don't have my hat on. I have my hat on deck. Sledding number 1 of the year. Sonny all the way down there. He talking about I'll race you. You could race yourself. Okay you guys, update. We're like 2 minutes away from our house, but it's like a 10-minute walk so far.
Straight.
We gotta turn right.
My ears the only thing that's cold now. I think I got frostbite on my toes.
Crocs with it. 6. Ah! Stop number 4, Sonny emptying out his Crocs. Time update, if we were in a car, we would be 4 minutes away. Except for now, we're like 30, so stop number like 8. Y'all, it's the whole coffee shop coming up, so we're about to stop there. All right, y'all, we going in. Due to bad weather, we're close to this. They're closed. I wanted hot chocolate.
Keely, you gonna give me the vlog? Full sending that shit like,
Damn, what you got up in there? Pass some gloves there. I got one glove.
These mine.
Stop, he don't got no clothes on.
I don't care. He finna get all wet anyway.
Okay, y'all, here we go.
It's a bitch to get up here.
Yeah, now this hill right here is deadly. It's so tiring. Oh wow. Yep. Oh wow. Comes out over here eating ice or water, snow.
hey, do it with us. Stop, dude. Come on, bro. Actually do it with us.
I think you just scared.
Alright. Chill. Ah, CJ, stop. No, don't push me at all. But you're not gonna make it down. CJ, stop, bro. No.
Yeah. Oh damn. Okay then. Oh, Sonny gone.
I haven't made it farther than you.
You start with a little ball like this, right? Perfect. Cool. Here's his stomach. Oh. Oh, damn.
Ah!
not even moving. Hey! I'm on the floor!
Ready? Hold on.
I'm gonna break my neck! I thought I was gonna break my neck like did it. Okay, it's a jump right here. It's a jump. Come on, Sunny Bunny. Go get some hot cocoa. And dip.
Are you paying for it?
I guess. Oh, damn.
Hurry up, bro. Like, hurry up, bitch. Landed in this much.
Dang, Sunny, is it good? Yeah, there you go.
Swallow my hands out.
Yeah. We at McDonald's. I'm about to order some cookies and 3 medium hot chocolates at that though. Got the cookie, the free fry. I hear the drinks coming up. Alright, y'all, we finna walk home now. Cheers. We are almost home. Hot chocolate dang near gone. Because now it's time to get all cozy and warm. Number 1, my butt is all wet. It's literally only my butt. Number 2.
Thank you.